Good morning friends, me Akash Kumar. Today we are going to discuss about a black fungus. These black fungal infections are caused by the group of mold called mucormycosis, and mucormycosis is a serious but rare fungal infections which mainly affect the people who have the low immunity, and it is which mainly affect the people who have the low immunity. That steroid patients are likely to pro and diabetes mellitus patients and HIV/AIDS patients and tuberculosis patients are less compared to these diabetes mellitus and steroid patients. So this it is present in the air, and when an ill person inhales it lead to the facial deformity, facial symmetry, facial asymmetry. It impairs the sensory and vital organs and cause multiple lesions. It leads to the there is a gradual loss of the visions, lead to the redness of the eye due to the increase in the intraocular pressures, and it damages the optic nerves, and there should be lead to the loss of the visions in this way. So it causes the necrosis symptoms. When integrated to the brains, it alters the mental status and the deliriums, memory, and neurological impairment.